Solving polynomial equations. For us to solve x squared plus 2x plus 5 equals 0, either by using the quadratic formula or by completing the square. I'm going to use the quadratic formula, which is x is equal to negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac, all divided by 2a. Looking at my equation here, I can see that a is equal to 1, b is equal to 2, and c is equal to 5. So x is going to be negative 2 plus or minus the square root of 2 squared minus 4 times 1 times 5, all divided by 2 times 1. So that's negative 2 plus or minus the square root of 4 minus 20 divided by 2, which is negative 2 plus or minus the square root of negative 16 divided by 2. So that's negative 2 plus or minus the square root of negative 16 is 4i. So we have negative 2 plus 4i divided by 2, or we have negative 2 plus 4i divided by 2. And that simplifies to negative 1 take away 2i, or negative 1 plus 2i. So what do we notice about the roots? Well, what I notice is that they are a conjugate pair. And this is important. In the next couple of examples, we're going to look at this. But we have a quadratic where we ended up with a negative under the square root. And the roots end up being complex. And they are a conjugate pair. But just for what's coming, note that the coefficients were 1, 2, and 5. So all of the coefficients were real.